For many reasons, you may need to find a certain order or set of orders, and Ordoro's intuitive searching, sorting, and filtering is a great tool to use to do so. Filtering can be used if you need to check on open drop shipments for a certain supplier or orders from a certain time range. Sorting can help you make sure you tackle the most important orders first, and search is great if you're looking for a certain order, customer, SKU, and much more. So this tutorial is just going to demonstrate how to use the search, sort, and filter within the Orders tab. So let's go on over to the Orders tab. And this is all pretty simple. Like I said, it's very intuitive. So filtering obviously is these three here. Sort is right here. You can select how you're sorting. The default sort is order date newest. So you can see those newest orders coming in and take action on them. But you can sort it from oldest to newest. You can sort it based on the ship date, the order value if you want to process those higher value orders first, the order ID, so if you just want to sort it by order ID from your sales channel, order status. So this one makes sense if you are on the all filter, you can see what the status of the order is, and the requested ship method. So if you want to filter it by the requested ship method to make sure that you are processing the proper or all the similar orders in a batch, you can do that as well. The date range option here, so going on to the filtering options, the date range option here, if you want to filter down to a certain range, maybe you want to see this week's orders, maybe you want to see the orders shipped this week, so you go to the shipped filter and filter to the date range of this week and see what's been shipped. I haven't shipped anything out in my test account. Let's look at the past month or so. Cool, so we're looking at all of my shipments that I've created within, or shipping labels or marked as shipped, or anything that I've moved to the shipped filter within the month of August so far. So can do that. And these date filters and everything, if it's something that you're going to be coming back to, or maybe a supplier filter, that'd make more sense than a date. Any of these filters that you apply, they're going to kind of be applied to the URL as well, which what that means for you is if it's a URL that you use a lot, then you can save it and bookmark it. So if it's a filter that you're using day in and day out, just bookmark it and go right to it whenever you need to. And that applies to search, sort, and filter, all three of these options. So we've filtered by date range. We can also filter by tags. So if you want to see tags, orders that needed insurance, maybe you want to go through and make sure they all got insurance. Suppliers, pretty simple. If you are in the shipped filter and you sort by supplier, it's going to find orders that supplier shipped, so you added tracking information for. If you are in the drop shipment requested filter, it's going to filter to suppliers that you have open drop shipments for, so orders that they need to fulfill for you. And then the other filter is sales channel. So the sales channel filter applies in all of the tabs as well. So you can filter down to a certain sales channel. Maybe you want to process those orders first. For example, you're selling on Amazon. You want to get to, let's say this is my Amazon and I want to find my Amazon Prime tag. I can apply these filters, bookmark this URL, and just go straight to that the first thing in the morning. Get those seller fulfilled Prime orders out the door. So I'm not worried about getting dinged on Amazon. It's one of the really useful benefits of using the filtering and the sorting and being able to bookmark stuff is awesome. So yeah, so that's sales channels. So we've the filter by sales channel, suppliers, tags, and date range, sorting by all of these parameters. And then the last one is search. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear out these filters. If you are on this page, wherever you go, it's going to have those filters. If you want to clear them out, you can obviously just X out of them like I just did. Or if you click on the orders tab up here, it's going to refresh this orders page and get rid of all those filters for you. So a couple different ways to do that. And then once I've got those cleared out, I'm going to go ahead and search. So let's see if we can search to any orders that I've made. So I'll put my name in there and search here, and then it's going to take me to the all filters, so I can see all filters that were, or all orders that were returned based on this search. So I can go through and see these. I can see what status they're in. Maybe this is something that is, you want to look at monogrammed items, so any orders for a monogrammed item. If you search by that, I don't have any monogrammed items in my store, but that's just an example. If you search by that, and maybe that's something that you need to go check on every day, that's also in the URL, so you can kind of save that and pull that up. So searching is pretty simple. It does take you to the all filter, so you can see every result returned, but then once you have, go ahead and search that again. Once you go into the search, if you go to another filter, you'll see just the orders in that filter that apply to that search. So you can kind of check all that out as well. And that's pretty much it for filtering, sorting, and searching on the orders page. If you have any questions about it, definitely reach out to us. We're going to be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.